Hey there tech heads, I hope you're all having a great day and welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to be taking a look at the iPhone 12 Pro in gold. Now I was lucky enough to come across one of these devices in one of the retail stores here, but like I said, it's a store, so it's got that white magnet and wire security thingy on it. But nevertheless, we'll just be taking a look at the build quality and how the color looks in real life. My full iPhone 11 Pro review will be coming out sometime later this week, so make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you do not miss that. And with that said, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so we're going to keep this short and sweet. Taking a look at the body of this device, when we turn it over to the back where we expect to see this eye-catching gold, like what we saw on the iPhone XS or XS Max, we are greeted with, not really sure what to call this.
What the hell is even that?
It's not really gold. It's not the gold that we expected. This seems a lot more muted. It seems a lot more quiet. Like, it doesn't really look like gold. From afar, it could pass off as white or some other color. I guess perhaps because the back of the phone is made of a matte finish, it made the color a bit more muted, but this is not really gold. I don't really see this as a gold phone. The thing is, the real gold, or the gold we were expecting to see, actually does show up on this phone, and it's around the camera module and on the side railings. These very shiny reflective side railings that catch fingerprints like no man's business. This is where we get to see the more traditional definition of gold. But I'm not really sure what, went wrong with the back of the phone. I'm sure a few people might like this color, but as for me, it's a cool color, don't get me wrong, but it's just not gold, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to be dropping my full coverage of the iPhone 12 Pro, like I mentioned earlier, later this week. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. And yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe, as we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and it would be awesome if we could get there before the end of the year. Also, make sure to check out our podcast, Tech News Nerds. All links will be in the description box below. Make sure to check out my previous videos as well. They'll be floating beside me as they usually do. And if you want to get any of the things I used to produce my videos, like my mic, for example, you can find links to that in the description box below as well. With that said, you stay cool, stay safe, wear your mask as always, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.